baking out of a box. Something new for me. I don't really bake out of boxes. I usually just make things from scratch. But today we're gonna be making blondie bars from Trader Joe's. They're so good. So I poured out the mix into this bowl. And I ran to the store because I didn't have butter. I didn't need butter. Okay. Also, I'm listening to Mamma Mia, so we'll be listening to Mamma Mia while I bake, because that's always fun. So we need 1 large egg and 1 stick of butter. Perfect. I have my butter right here, and yes, my camera is inside of my cabinet, so it can see everything. And also all my neighbors can kind of see what's happening. That's fun. Okay, so 1 large egg. I got the shell. I'll set it in there. So there's a shell in here, but I kind of can't find where it went. I'll find it. Or maybe not. I just lost a shell in here. I don't know what happened. I had my eye on it 1 second, and then the next second it was gone. Maybe it was an illusion and I didn't actually see the shell. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. And now I need to get this measuring cup and just put the stick of butter. It's really hard because I just bought it. Ooh, I'm splitting it in half. Look, you can see now. Yum. Okay, so now I'm putting this in the microwave. See me, hi. Putting it in for 45 seconds. Got the butter. I have the butter. It's kind of hot, so I don't really want to mix it with the egg right now. I'm gonna wait for the butter to cool, and then I'm gonna put it in the cookie dough mix. But until then, I'm gonna study because, you know, I am in high school and I do have to study. So yeah, I'll study and then I'll put the butter. Okay, now that the butter's cooled, I'm just gonna pour it inside here. Oh, it's dripping. I hope it doesn't melt the chocolate chips because sometimes it happens. When I bake chocolate chip cookies, sometimes it just butter is so hot that it melts the chocolate chips. I have to probably preheat the oven. So I need to preheat it to 350. You can read this. I cook it in this little dish. It looks dirty, but I promise you it's just like burnt. Okay, so I'm gonna continue this. Continue mixing. Well, good enough. I'm just gonna pour the batter inside of this dish. I hope it fits. Perfect. I want to get all of it. Okay. I'm just gonna flatten it out so that it's nice and even. Get all the extra. Okay. Looks good. Finish putting it on the pan. It's gonna look so cute. It's gonna be like a little, I don't even know what they're called. They're like deep dish cookie. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna have this, and then it's gonna be like a little rush, and you just put a scoop of ice cream and some chocolate syrup, and you put some whipped cream. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this in the oven when it is done preheating because I forgot to preheat the oven. So make sure you preheat the oven before you actually start cooking. And then I'll take it out and show you what it looks like in 28 minutes. I will continue studying because I need to finish senior year. Time to put the cookie in the oven. Whoops. That is so not gonna fit. Perfect. Christmas. cookie is done. Well, the blondie bar is done, and it rose a little bit in the pan. It's so golden, it's so pretty. So excited to eat it. Okay, so I never finished out the video, but I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you want me to do next. And thanks for watching until now.